Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to explore some useful methods that we can use with the array. There are 4 methods that we learned today: every, sum, find, and findIndex methods. First, we have every method. The every method checks if all array values pass a test. Next, we have the sum method. The sum method checks if some array values pass a test. Next, we have the find method. The find method returns the value of the first array element that passes a test function. Lastly, we have the findIndex method. The findIndex method returns the index of the first array element that passes a test function. I've got this code from our previous tutorial. Let's use every method here. In this case, the result on the console is false. The purpose of the function is to check values of arrays are greater than 20, but in this points array, not all values are greater than 20. That's why it returns false. Remember, the every method checks if all values pass a test and then return true, otherwise, it will return false. While the every method checks all the values, if you only want to check some of them, you can use the sum method in its place. In this array, there are 2 values, 56 and 70, which are greater than 20. That's why the output is true. The sum method confirms if at least one element in the array meets the specified condition. Moving on, let's use another method called find. What you see on the console is 56. In the array elements, 56 is the first one that's greater than 20, making it a match for the condition we have set in the function. The find method returns the value of the first array element that passes a test function. If you're looking to find the index of the first array element that meets a condition of the function, you can easily do so with the findIndex method. In this case, it prints 2, which is the index of the element 56 within the array. So, yeah, these are some methods we can use with the array. If you find it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates on future videos.